Namaste, Konnichiwa. It is indeed a pleasure for me to extend my greetings and good wishes to all of you on the occasion of International Day of Yoga 2020. The United Nations proclaimed 21st of June as the International Day of Yoga by its resolution 69/131 on 11th of December 2014 to recognize the universal appeal of yoga. I am very thankful to the government of Japan to have voted in favor of this resolution on that day. Accordingly, this day aims to make people aware about the benefits of practicing yoga. In the evolving situation of COVID-19 pandemic, many of us find ourselves in a time of uncertainty with little information or too much information with no real way to know its trustworthiness. Social distancing leads to isolation, loss of our daily routines, and less access to social support systems. Nevertheless, this is the best practice to keep the infection due to this pandemic away. Yoga can help us self-regulate during times of stress, connect us with Mother Nature, and reduce the health challenging diseases in the world. Moreover, it also intends to develop a habit of meditation for peace of mind, self-awareness, which is necessary to produce a stress-free environment. By providing solutions to our physical and mental well-being, it also contributes to growth, development, and peace throughout the world. More and more empirical and scientific evidences support yoga as a pivotal strategy for managing stress and increasing physical health. People who practice yoga experience less anxiety, less depression, and fewer symptoms of post-traumatic stress disorder. Yoga also brings innumerable benefits to our health by improving our muscle strength, increasing our blood flow, regulating adrenal glands, maintaining our nervous systems, preventing digestive problems, and so on and so forth. Millions of people across the world are learning and practicing yoga in their daily life with great enthusiasm, and its importance is always realized in Japan. The increasing number of students in every semester of the yoga and Ayurveda courses conducted by Embassy of India in Tokyo illustrates that the Japanese society admires the holistic approach to maintaining a sound physical and mental health, which is inspiring to all other societies. In order to keep everyone safe and healthy, we all have chosen to avoid organizing the International Day of Yoga 2020 in a traditional manner by physically gathering the yoga enthusiasts. However, the spirit of International Day of Yoga lives, and we are organizing virtual events by various yoga organizations of Japan. They have contributed with their ideas, which are highly appreciable, and I congratulate all the yoga organizations from the core of my heart. I strongly believe that your commitment to yoga will lead us towards a healthier and more peaceful world. Please allow me to convey my heartiest good wishes to all of you once again on the International Day of Yoga 2020. Thank you. Namaste. Arigatou gozaimasu.